Hi, good morning kids. Teacher Alex is here and today we will be learning English. Our topic for today is all about heavy rain. What is heavy rain all about? Let's go and learn some more today. Are you ready? Let's all begin. Heavy rain. Aren't you wondering why there is a heavy rain? What is a heavy rain? Rain falling in large drops and with a lot of force. Like this picture. Look at that. There's plenty of water. And don't you know that there's a lot of danger with a heavy rain? All right, let's go and learn them. What is the big problem of heavy rain? Flooding, including risk to human life, damage to a buildings and infrastructure, and loss of crops and livestock. Like this picture, look at what happened into the road. It was flood and it caused obstruction in the road, right? Look at the people. They are stuck in the middle of the island. And what else? Of course, damage to crops and livestock. Look at what happened to the bananas. They were drowned and we cannot eat them anymore. What else we can see? Look at this. This is a road. However, there was a landslide. We can also experience landslide, which can threaten to human life, disrupt transport and communications, and cause damage to buildings and infrastructure. Like this next picture. And there's a lot of things, or there's a lot of problems caused by a heavy rain. Roads are blocked and nobody can transport food. It's really a disaster. What should we do? Staying safe during heavy rainfall. Always remember, kids, these three things in your head. Number 1, wear protective clothing and seek indoor shelter. Number 2, stay away from the windows and doors during heavy rain and strong winds. Number 3, avoid roadway underpasses, drainage ditches, low-lying areas, and areas where water collects. They can unexpectedly flood or overflow. So always remember to do these three things. Let's listen to a conversation. Hello? Hello?
Yes, this is Joy. How can I help you?
My car got stuck on a flood.
Can you tell me your location, please?
Fifth Avenue, Arlington Street corner near at West Virginia Road.
Copy that, sir. Make sure to stay away from any possible landslide. Help is on their way now to reach you.
Homework. For your homework, do not forget to write this down on your English notebook and do not forget to write the date today. Direction. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What are the things we need to remember when there is a heavy rain? Give at least 3 things. Number 2. What should we do when encountering heavy rain? Number 3. What is the conversation all about? Number 4. In your own words, how can you help to prevent heavy rain? Alright kids, thank you so much for dropping by and I hope that you've learned a lot from me today. See you again next time. Goodbye!